In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location on Roblox. So to change your location on the Roblox app on your mobile is a really simple process. So the first thing you will need to do is open up Roblox, and my Roblox game is located in my game launcher. So I will head over to game launcher, open that up here, and then now you can select Roblox. Once Roblox opens up, what you can do once it has loaded is simply go to the bottom right hand corner and click on the three dots to go to your settings. Once you click on that, you can scroll down and select on the settings tab, and then once you click on the settings tab, you will now need to select account info. Once you select account info, it will bring up all of the information of your profile and your account, and what you need to do now is simply scroll down until you find location. As you can see, there is an option now for location, and if you click on the drop down menu, you can click and select any of these countries from this list. So for example, if I just click on the United States, as you can see, the location has now been changed to the United States. So it's just a simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.